In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create this heart eye emoji face on your embroidery machine. Stick around to the end to learn all the best tips and tricks. Let's get started.
Love machine embroidery and saving money? Don't miss Embroidery Legacy's limited time Black Friday deals. The biggest savings on our next generation software, gorgeous designs, and step-by-step education. Click the link to explore, save, and start creating your most beautiful projects yet.
For this project, we're gonna need the following materials. A 7-inch hoop. For the stabilizer, we're gonna use a tearaway stabilizer. For the main body, we're gonna use 2 pieces of plush fabric 6 inch by 6 inches. For the eyes, we're gonna use a piece of red felt 5 inches by 4 inches. For the mouth, we're gonna use a black piece of felt 3 inches by 2 inches. We're also gonna use a ribbon 10 inches in length. For the fill of the body, we're gonna use some fiberfill, and here I have a whole bag of it. We're gonna use some pinking shears, some fabric scissors, double curved applique scissors, and a sewing kit. Now with the sewing kit, we're gonna do a ladder stitch. I know embroidery, and I'm gonna be practicing sewing for today's project. Let's get started. Step 1 is to hoop your stabilizer. So we're gonna grab our hoop and our tearaway stabilizer, hoop it in place, and make sure that the stabilizer is taut like a drum. Your hoop should feel like a drum, and now we can bring this onto the embroidery machine to put the placement stitch. Perfect. Now let's place the top fabric. I'm going to grab one of the main body pieces, and with some tape, we're gonna secure the fabric down. Now let's take this onto the embroidery machine to stitch the tack down stitch. Now that the machine's done running the tack down stitch, it's going to embroider the placement stitch for the eyes. Next, let's grab the felt for the eyes, and with some tape, we're gonna secure it in place. Now let's embroider the tack down stitch for the eyes. With your applique scissors, we're gonna trim around the edge of the tack down stitch. If you find that your felt has a lot of leftover fibers, grab a used piece of tape and dab it on top to remove those excess fibers. All right, we're ready to embroider the satin stitch. Alright, the satin stitch for the eyes are now done, and as you can see, the machine also added the placement stitch for the mouth. So we're gonna grab our felt for the mouth, put it right over that placement stitch, and use some tape to secure it in place so we can do the tack down stitch. The little emoji can't speak right now, but not for too long. Let's bring this onto the embroidery machine for the tack down stitch. Alright, let's grab our applique scissors once again, and we're gonna cut the excess fabric around the tack down stitch. Look at how happy it is, and it's gonna be even happier once it has a satin stitch. So let's go take care of that. Now we have the whole emoji face ready, and as you can see, the machine added the placement stitch for the ribbon. So next we're gonna take care of that. Grab your piece of ribbon, and we're gonna fold it in half. With your ribbon in half, we're gonna ensure that the 2 pieces are right on top of that placement stitch, and we're gonna grab some tape to secure it in place while it does the tack down stitch. Now let's bring this onto the embroidery machine to tack it down in place. All right, we have the ribbon in place. I'm gonna remove that tape that was securing it in place. And the last step is to grab your other piece of plush, making sure it's right side down. We're gonna place it on top so we can do the final stitch. All right, the embroidery is now done. Let's take out all of this excess tape and we can remove our fabric from the hoop. I'm gonna carefully rip apart the tearaway. Now with the tearaway off, we're gonna grab our fabric scissors to cut up at the bottom. And now with our pinking shears, we're gonna cut around, leaving a 1/4 inch of the plush all around. Now we can bring the fabric inside out, and a fun little tip is you can find the ribbon from the inside and carefully pull it. Here's the ribbon, so I'm gonna carefully pull it and turn the fabric the right side out. Oh, it actually looks really cute. Here's the fun part. Grab your fiberfill and stuff your emoji. Once your emoji is all stuffed up, we're gonna push the fabric in. With our sewing kit, we're gonna use the ladder stitch method to close this stitch out. Grab a similar color to your plush, here's a yellow one, and grab your needle. Set up your needle in a regular way like you would with any other sewing. I'm gonna start from one side and I'm gonna put my thread through the inside and push it out. Now, on the other side, I'm going to bring it in and push it out. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Push it out. And as you can see, it's starting to look like a ladder. Now when you pull it tight, those stitches should disappear. Now we're gonna do a tie off. So I'm gonna bring it in from one side to the other, and we're gonna loop the thread around and then pull. Now just do it again through the same place. We're gonna do this 2 or 3 times. Now the last step is to bring the needle through, and then we're gonna poke it out the back somewhere, just a little bit off, and pull. And now with your scissors, you can trim this excess thread off. Squish it around to give it some shape. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create this beautiful heart eyes emoji on your embroidery machine with a little bit of stitching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to leave a like and subscribe, as well as turn on your notifications to never miss another embroidery video. In the meantime, check out these videos right here, and we'll catch you guys on the next tutorial. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.